Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Tyagi. Welcome to our channel. Here, you would be learning the concepts of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, Power Automate flows, JavaScript, plugins, and many other concepts. So today, we are going to create a Power Automate flow, and these few topics we are going to cover in this video. First is the automated database trigger, that is, when a row is added or modified, and when modified, the only selected column will have to update to trigger this Power Automate flow. If any other columns get updated, then our Power Automate flow will not get triggered. We would be creating the record URL of the lead in the email body. We are creating an environment variable for the app ID that we use in the record URL creation. We are using the Outlook connector to send this email. So our business requirement is when a lead is created in the CRM or the owner of that lead gets updated, an email will be sent to the owner of lead saying that this lead is assigned to you with the record URL of that particular lead. So let us jump to our CRM. So currently I'm at the Power Apps page and my environment is Anurag Test OOB features. So this environment I would be creating my Power Automate flow. So first I would be creating a new solution. So I would be giving the solution as name as send email to lead owner. Currently I did not created a publisher, so I'm using the CDS default publisher. I'm not updating the version currently. Let us click on create. Okay, my solution gets created successfully. I would be clicking on new, then automation, cloud flow, and then automated cloud flow. And for now, I'm skipping this. So it is currently showing as untitled. I would be giving the name as send email to lead on. So now I have to select the trigger. So our trigger should be of Microsoft Dataverse. So click on it, and then I would be selecting when a row is added, modified, or deleted. Change type I want for my scenario is when the lead will get created or updated. So I would be selecting the change type as added or modified. The table name would be lead. And the scope would be organization. And for now, when the lead record got updated, I only want the flow will only trigger when the lead owner will get update. So for that, I would be pasting the schema name of the owner field on the lead record in the select columns here. So I'm going to my lead form. I would be clicking on new. Owner field. I want the schema name, so I'm using the level up extension. Get the logical names, and this is the logical name, the schema name of our owner field. So I'm copying that and pasting in the select columns. We would be renaming our trigger, that is when a lead is added or updated. I have to create a new step. So from this lead record, I want the owner record, the owner of that lead. So I want the action that is get a row by ID. So you would be click on Microsoft Dataverse. Then have an action here that is get a row by ID. So which columns, which entity want to get the record is the system user. And then from our trigger, we would be getting the owner ID value. So I would be finding out that. So this is the in this I would be getting the GUID of the owner of the lead. So now I would be getting the owner record. So I would be renaming it as get the owner code. Then I have to send the email to the owner that a lead is assigned to you. So I would be creating a new step. Then we have a Outlook connector named as send an email. Send an email v2. So here I have to specify whom I'm sending this email. So I want to add the dynamic content, that is from the get the owner record. I would be selecting the primary email. Subject would be the new lead assigned. Hi. We can add the body. Hi, a new lead is assigned to you. Please take a look. Thanks. Regards, CRM system. So let me save it. Okay, let me test it manually. I'm creating a lead record. Topic test lead, Outlook notification. First name I would be giving my name. Okay, let me save it. So yes, our flow is running and our flow runs successfully. So to this email ID, this email sends. So this is the email that I received. Hi, a new lead is assigned to you. Please take a look. Take a look. Thanks. Regards CRM system. So now the second thing is we want to add the record URL of the lead in the email body. So for that, let us take a look at the URL of a lead. So this is the record URL we have. It consists of three things. That is the organization URL, the app ID, and the GUID of the record. So when you would be changing the app, this app ID would get changed. So for that, we would be creating an environment variable, and when you would be moving this solution to a different environment, you would be just updating the value of the app ID without updating the main flow. So for that, I would be uh, clicking on new, then more, then environment variable, and then the display name I'm giving as app ID. Description I'm not giving currently. The data type I would be giving as text, and here I would be giving the default ID, app ID. So that is this, and click on save. Okay. Now I would be creating the record URL and store it in a variable in my Power Automate flow. Okay. So here I will click on Insert News tab, add an action, and I would be searching for variable. I want to initialize a variable saying that record URL. The type I'm choosing as string, and here first I would be pasting the uh, whole URL in this variable, and in app ID I would be using my environment variable that I have just created. It is the app ID. Then the GUID of the records are unique for every record. So here, instead of choosing the ID, I would be using the GUID of the record from the trigger body. So when a lead is added or updated, so this is the unique identifier of the lead. So in this variable, our record URL got created now. Creating our URL. So we would be clicking on the code view, not the code view, the link. We would be giving the link title as click here, and link target as for now test.com. Click on add. This has added at the wrong position, so I want to add it here. So I would be again clicking on the link and giving the link title as click here, and the link target as test.com. Click on add. Now I will be going to the code view, and here I would be updating my record URL, and yes, I added my record URL here. For now, click on save. I would be clicking on test automatically, and with the previously used trigger I would be trigger my Power Automate flow. So yes, my flow runs successfully. Yes, this is the URL created, and this would be the body of the email. So I have received the email. It will say, "Hi, a new lead is assigned to you. Please take a look. Thanks." This is the record URL of the lead. If I would be open this in the new tab, it would be opening the record link, the lead record for me. So yes, hope this helps. Thank you.